just saw that Caitlin put out the new newsletter for August in MAXA. So we got the email, saw the preview, and I just wanted to do a quick video on how to get all the information and update everything so that you can get it into your email, or if you're using KeyLeads, you can get it in there. So we're going to go to marketing.c21ne.com. That's going to be your MAXA site. Type that into your URL if you have it saved in your favorites. In your left menu, we're going to go to Century 21 or go to the Coldwell Digital. She's got a number 1 on here because it's a brand new one. So we're going to go to our email newsletter campaign. And right on the top here is our August newsletter. It's the first one in there. We're going to hit create design. We're going to hit create the design again. We're going to let that load onto the computer. There we go. This is page 2. So this is the part we're going to edit if we need to. We can left click, hover, move stuff over, type in our information. If we need to make changes, we have our cell, our office, our email, my picture. If I want to make a new picture, maybe I've got fall pictures, maybe I've got a picture for the summer for my profile. You can do all that. If you have event happenings, local happenings, you can add these in here. If you don't have any or you don't know what to put in there, go ahead and just delete these. Just hover, left click, and you can delete that section. Maybe I want to do local happenings. I actually sell down here in Florida, so let me put local happenings for August. Beach walk at Marker 55 in Juneau on first Saturday of the month at 9 a.m. So you can see where we get that. And then if we've got more, we just add those on there. If there's something that you want to change, maybe you have something different in the home maintenance, you can make changes in there if there's something that you like. We've got looking ahead. All right, so we've made all of our updates. If we want to make any updates to page 1, we'll make our updates here. Now we're done. So we're going to come up to download. We're going to make those a PNG. That's going to be the easiest thing to get them into your email. We're going to download the 2. Because there is 2 pages, it is going to put them into a zip folder. So we're going to open up our zip folder in our downloads. Here are our 2 items. If you're using an email program called KeyLead Engine. So I'm going to go to my system. I'm going to go to my marketing. I'm going to go to emails, and then I'm going to go to my campaigns and create a new email that I want to send out to my database. I'm going to do that through the new button. I'm going to choose a template, and I'm going to choose one that is, I have one called Melanie Basic. So I'm going to choose this template. It works pretty much the same on any of your programs that you're using. So you can see my template is kind of built for me. It is an image, so what I'm going to do is insert an image, but I also want to insert a second image because this is 2 parts. I'm going to take this little text box out. So I have 2 images on top. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to my image URL right here in my window. I'm going to upload to the media gallery. I am going to hit upload from a file. I'm going to upload 1, 0, and 1. Okay, this is my first one. I'm going to insert that there, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to add my second one. It is as simple as that to get a nice email. So I'm going to preview this. This is what the email is going to look like when I set it to go. Isn't that cute? I love these. So if I wanted to send this in Key Leads, I'm going to hit send and save. I can schedule this to go out tomorrow at 10 a.m. It's going to come from me. It's going to come from my email address that I use for marketing. I'm going to put a cute little subject line. What's happening in August? And then I'm going to pick my contacts. And I'm going to set them to go to, I'm just going to pick a set of contacts just so you can see how this works. And then I would just simply hit schedule and off this goes. Now, if you're in your Gmail or anything like that, you can do the same thing inside of Gmail. Going to extend the video real quick. If you guys are working inside of your Zoho or Gmail, I'll explain those real quick as well for your newsletters. So inside of your Zoho, above your signature, click insert image. Choose to upload. We're going to upload 0 first. We're going to insert that. And then we're going to hit our return button. And then we're going to go ahead and hit insert. And we're going to select the second one. We're going to insert that. Simple as that. We just got ourselves a newsletter ready to go to our clients. If you're sending them to multiple people, remember, don't put everybody in the 2 box. Make sure you click BCC and put everybody in the BCC. If you're in Gmail, you're going to do exactly the same thing. Open up your BCC so everybody's in there. Right above your signature. Hit your, well, I don't hit anything actually. I go into my file that I have them stored in. Open up my August. I'm going to just left click and drag my first one. And I'm going to return, and then I'm going to left click and drag my second one. And now I have both of them in there. It's a little bit smaller, so I'm probably going to make sure I highlight these, go to original size, click on this one, go to original size, and now that is something that is a lot easier to read. So that's as simple as doing Zoho and Gmail. I hope that helps.